Are you running ads on a Facebook and struggling to understand how to target the right audience? Maybe you have been doing research but not getting the desired result to define your target audience. So I would like to tell you how ChatGPT can help you with this and how you can create a better audience persona or even buy one. Here what you need to do, just you need to open the ChatGPT. Remember that the ChatGPT is a language model and you have to tell it how to act. Look, I am given it a prompt like act as a Facebook ad expert and provide me with the interest and demographic to the target for my website design service in US. Now here is the magic. As soon as I give it to the prompt, it instantly provide me the demographic and the interest data. These are the people who are more likely to be interested in your service. This means that the hours of research you would have done are now condensed into a short period of time. Thank you.